The Coach Bow Bag with Quilting is a perfect handbag for any occasion. Handbag crafted from quilted Napa leather and features a feminine bow detail on the front. The Coach Bow Bag can be carried by the top handles or worn crossbody, making it versatile and stylish. The bag is available in a variety of colors, so you can find one that perfectly suits your style. Coach Bow Bag with Quilting, also roomy enough to fit all of your essentials, making it a great choice for everyday use. Here are some of the key features of the Coach Bow Bag with Quilting. Crafted from quilted Napa leather. Features a feminine bow detail on the front. Can be carried by the top handles or worn crossbody. Available in a variety of colors. Roomy enough to fit all of your essentials. The perfect finishing touch to any look, our bow bag is crafted of quilted Napa leather. Designed to fit all your essentials, it can be carried by the top handles or worn crossbody.